Hell yeah, pinfishingrods.com.
We stealth camped at Alabama Hills behind the rock face, and then we headed down to Lone Pine for breakfast and shower. Now, it's time to hit the road.
We try to find a ways in life to give our hearts and soul a peace of mind. But you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can hold you any longer.
So right now we're here at the Lake Sabrina near Bishop, California. After a long day hike yesterday, actually 3-day hike going to some miles within the PCT, starting from Horseshoe Meadows. We got out yesterday. We were so tired, so we're just taking this day today to rest for a while and go catch some fish right here. We set up in the campground right now, and we're gonna be catching some fish later. Hopefully, Alan will catch some fish for our dinner. Lake Sabrina is a lake created by damming the Middle Fork of Bishop Creek. It is located southwest of Bishop, California, on California State Route 168 in the Inyo National Forest.
Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you. Now I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me. Every time I see what's to destroy. Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a
The dam was built in 1907 to 1908 to supply a constant flow of water to the hydraulic power plants. The lake is part of the Bishop Creek system. Local residents pronounce the lake Sabrina. However, the lake was originally named after Mrs. Sabrina Hobbs, wife of C.M. Hobbs, the first general manager of California Nevada Power Company, which built the dam. The reason for the lake's name pronunciation changing over the years is still unclear. Lake Sabrina has a boat launching facility which is funded by the State Department of Boating and Waterways, operated and maintained by Inyo National Forest. Lake Sabrina has a cafe that serves great food and refreshing drinks. It's about time to go back to Sabrina Campground and start catching those fish.
Fish on. Oh, dude, look at him. Oh my God, look at him. Oh my god.
Careful.
Dude, he's nice.
Got it, you got it.
What is he? What the hell is he?
What the heck is that fish?
Let's go, it's a sucker fish.
Oh, there are lots of them. Sucker fish. Big one.
Oh dude, look at that, some nice trout. Hell yeah, pinfishingrods.com.
That's a good trout, man. That's right. Alan is using penfishingrod.com, the Goliath version. Come to Papa. Water rod. That's a big one.
Come on, sucker.
Let me hold the rod.
Yeah! that's a dinner, baby!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I told you you're gonna catch another one.
Fighting the current and him now. Hell yeah!
Got another one. Yeah, you got one. And that's the second one. Second one.
You're a story. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over.
Alright, it's time to cook for our dinner. Okay, I'm gonna start frying brown trout. Alan caught right here in the creek by Lake Sabrina. I'm gonna, fry it right here. I'm gonna have some extra virgin olive oil, of course, sea salt and black peppercorn. And we have dehydrated butter and dehydrated white onion here. That'd be awesome. All right, let's start cooking. I cooked the rice already. Look, woohoo! And another one there. Yeah, baby. Let's do it. Batter style. Thanks, Alan. The following day, we are headed home.
And right up there, that blue is that bakery.
Of course, the trip to Bishop is not complete without grabbing some delicious bread from Eric Schutz's bakery. Mmm. Alright, see you next time! And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.